Hello there and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about the caller ID in Panasonic IP-PBX. So what is caller ID? The CID stands for the caller ID. So what is caller ID? Caller identification or the caller ID, it's a telephone service available in analog and digital telephone system, including voice over IP, that transmits a caller's telephone number to the called party's telephone equipment when the call is being set up. There's two types of the caller ID. There is the FSK and there's the DTMF. What does they stands for? FSK stands for frequency shift keying and DTMF stands for the dual tone multi-frequency. And they are data transmission formats that carry callers' information. So the FSK with visual caller ID is necessary for call waiting, caller ID to display on the phone. Also there is FSK visual message waiting indicator, which is VMWI. The frequency shift keying or the FSK is a frequency modulation scheme in which digital information is transmitted through discrete frequency changes of a carrier signal. The dual tone multi-frequency or the DTMF sends a series of DTMF digits prior to the first ringing cycle. So what is the caller ID description? The PBX usually can receive caller ID information like from the telephone numbers and the telephone numbers caller's name from calls received on outside CO lines. This information can be shown on the display of property telephones, which is the PTs, as well as some single line telephone SLTs when receiving calls. Additionally, caller ID information is logged in the incoming call log of the extension that received the call, allowing the caller to view a record of incoming calls or make a call to a person in the call log later. The PBX can be programmed to modify a caller's telephone number when it is received by, for example, adding an outside CO line, access number, or adding or deleting certain digits of incoming telephone numbers automatically. This allows an extension user to make a call later to a telephone number logged in his or her call log without worrying about outside CO line access number, area code, and so on.